guys, I tried this out. They are talking about how to make money from Google Map, but honestly I checked it out and I'm going to give you my honest review on it and my own opinion and how it works and everything you can actually do along with it. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. Although this video might be long, because I'm going to share with you how to create a website, 2 different ways to create a website, or 2 different ways you can create a website, and some other services that you can also render along with this particular niche. Okay guys, because I know much more about this, because so it's all about social media managing work, and that is what I'm doing right now. Though I'm still in class. What I mean I'm still in class is that I'm still learning the course, and it's a very good one. So they've taught us about how to make money from Google Map, and it's very legit. I've already busted it, so it's legit. So I'm going to show you how I did it and how you can also do it as well. But I want you to know that you can't make that much money the way they say you're going to make $600, $100 to $200 from it per hour or within 3 hours. So you might not make up to that. Okay, so it depends on the clients you work with, but we can't make money, we can't make up to $600, but we can't judge the person. You know, the allocation is different from ours. So we are in Nigeria, so definitely cannot make up to 600,000. Even I think dollars are around 1,100 right now. Let me just say 600,000 naira. You can't make it doing that particular side also. So let's dive in. So I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how I did this and how you can also search for customers and get clients as well. She also mentioned in her video now you can actually get clients as well. So I'm going to tell you every details, everything I do. I'm going to share with you how you can get a client and every ways you can actually use to get a client. I'm going to tell you, so stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. I said it again, it's going to be a long video because I'm going to be addressing a lot of issues. That's why it's going to be long. You have to be patient to watch this video, and also let me know in the comment section if you have anything to say about it. If you want to correct me as well, I'm open for correction, and maybe you just notice what I'm doing wrong or what I'm not doing right or stuff like that. I don't mind, just say anything at all. Just drop the comments in the comment section. And if you're seeing me for the first time, give me a warm welcome. All we do on this channel is talk about how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that is what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's dive into today's class. Welcome back guys. First, let's talk on how you can get clients and say or customers. This is what I do. I go on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok to get clients. This is what I do. I check on their profile page and I copy their brand name. I come to Google and paste it there. So if I see that their brand, they have verified their business with Google business, then that's not the type of clients that I want to work for. You have to go back, you have to repeat the same process. Go back to TikTok, copy brand name and go back to Google search bar, paste their name there, and also until you see the one that befits the kind of clients you're looking for. There are a lot of business or brand that have not even verified their account with Google, so you're not in competition with anyone. You just have to keep repeating the process until you get those ones that you need to deal with. Like this particular one, our brand is not yet verified on business on Google business, so you have to find a way to reach out to her, DM her from on TikTok, send her direct message, and also if our Gmail is there, you can send it to her Gmail as well. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the very end, because I'm still going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write your sales pitch. Okay guys, so you can see there are a lot of businesses that are verified as well, and there are lots more of businesses that they have not verified their business, as you can see here. So some have their number here. Call them, tell them what they are missing out. Don't forget that you need to stay tuned to watch this video to the end, because I'm still going to talk on how to create a website, so don't run away yet. So you can see all of these businesses have not yet verified, and this is the type of clients you're looking for. At least if you message like 10 people in a day, you are going to get customers. At least 2 of them will ask you to ask for your service, ask you to render them your service. Okay guys, and you can actually charge like 15,000 naira, 20,000 naira for this service, so you can't end up to 600,000 doing this. And remember, we are dealing with small business owners, so they cannot afford that. Yeah. Now let's talk about how to create website or website designing. I have two major sites that I usually use for website designing, mainly for websites. For business websites. There are other ways you can actually create website, but not for business. Do you get? So first is Milkshake. You can use Milkshake. It's totally free. You can use Milkshake to create websites using you can use your Google or Facebook or your Apple to sign in. So I'm going to be creating another account. I already have one account before, but I'll be creating another account for the sake of this video. So it's still loading. Now, assuming you want to create a website for a client, you're going to use their brand name. Do you get? So create the website URL. You are going to use their brand name. I don't know if you're seeing. Let me zoom it. You are going to create their brand name and then turn on the marketing communication. So this is the first page you're going to see. You're going to click on the link, edit it, put their link, their pictures, their product pictures, or their brand. If they have banner, you put it there, like the front page. So a particular product, it's not necessary to be linked that it should be there. Do you get? So you just do it that is going to be attractive. Put attractive pictures there. So just do it as if you're a customer. You want to see this website, will you be able to buy something? Will the website attract you? So that's just it. If you do a very good job for your clients will surely refer you to someone else. Okay, so that's about that. And you just write about your clients there. You're going to ask them about their details, stuff like that, the service they render, their best pictures. Hey, there are different templates you can use here as well. So that's that about that. And we also have topic, maybe like their best products or services they render, or reviews of other people that they've worked for, all those kind of things you get. So that's that about that. You can also edit. They have different templates on that too. They have Splash. You can do anything here. Put different schools, products, anything. Just edit and add everything. So that's how about that. They also have YouTube channel. That's, you can put their Instagram channel here, or TikTok or Facebook account there. You can also change their WhatsApp URL in case you made a mistake, so you don't have to worry about how am I going to do it now. So you just come here and change the URL. Maybe they made a mistake when they were giving you their brand name, stuff like that. So we are humans now, so we can make mistake. You just change it, and that's all about that. You can also delete accounts here. So that's that about the creation of accounts. So the next time before I go, all the statistics. This one shows the numbers of people that click on their websites per day, the countries. So all of those statistics about who click on their websites. So the next time is how to create a website using Linktree. I'm not going to be creating another account here because I already have an account. So it's just practically the same way I created the first one. You can use your Gmail, and the username here will be their brand name. Do you understand? Their username here will be their brand name, and that will be their URL. And that's that about that. So creation of sales speech. We are going to be using our friend, our bestie, to create our sales speech. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT. If you've never used ChatGPT before, just go to Google, just type in ChatGPT. It's going to bring it up, and then log in with your Gmail and start using it. It's totally free. Okay, you just type ChatGPT to create a sales speech form. Just type in like this: create a sales speech for my service as a social media manager. I told you this work is under social media managing stuff. Do you get it? Once the ChatGPT give you your reply, then just recraft it or just adjust some things in there. So that's it. Now you need to learn and practice the service you want to render. Honestly, that's very, very important because you don't even know the service I'm talking about since morning, and you need to be able to verify the account. So go for this, because I'm going to be putting the link in the description box. I can pin it in the comment section as well. Click on the link, go and watch, go and study it. It's not going to take you more than 1 hour. It's not even up to 1 hour. So at least 45 minutes. I also studied this and I verified an account just to show you that you can also. So just to show you that you can also do it.
about their certificates. I don't know if I click on the certification, maybe they are going to request for money. I've not clicked on that, so I can't see, but I don't know. But studying the course itself and doing the test and practicing is totally free, so you can see verified accounts or cake and stuff like that. So that's that about that. And the second service corridor to your clients is creating a Facebook ad account for them. This same thing as creating a Facebook page. You just click on the three line about the corner of your Facebook account. You see page. If you scroll down, you see page. Then create an account. If you are using Android, you'll be able to create as much as many accounts that you want. But if you're using iPhone, you can only create one account. So that's the secret behind it. And also, if they need an account, maybe like a virtual card to run ads, you can ask them to open cheaper accounts. So that's the best one. That's the one I'm using, and it's also free to use. So they do not charge any money for that, using the virtual card accounts. So that's that for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also let me know in the comment section what you don't understand about the video. See you in my next video. Bye, take care.